Hi, my name is Fan Yang, your Chief Currency Analyst here at ForexMinute.com. You're watching today's Forex video briefing. It is Tuesday, November 25th, and we're in the morning part of the US session. The Aussie US dollar pair is sliding sharply after a bullish correction in the first half of November. The latest US GDP data is helping from a US dollar standpoint. But the Aussie dollar US dollar pair was already bearish without the US dollar story. Now, going back a little bit, the Aussie US dollar pair signaled bearish continuation when it fell below November's rising speed line and below the 0.8650 pivot here. Then there was a pullback. I remember we talked about the 0.8675 to 0.87 area as a key area for resistance, and indeed the market, even though it pushed a little bit higher, it essentially respected this area as resistance. Now this week the market retreated from 0.87 and has not looked back as it falls to a 4-year low. Note that in this 4-hour chart, price is now respecting the moving averages as resistance, and the 4-hour RSI is holding below 60 after probing below 30, which reflect bearish bias and bearish momentum. Now, prices at new lows on the year and the 4-year low, with the RSI showing a bit of oversold condition. So as price approaches 0.85, we should see a pullback. You see there is already a little bit of a near-term support here at 0.8520 area, but if this market is indeed bearish and it still looks bearish, we should expect sellers on the pullback around the 0.8575, 0.86 area here. Okay, this is a previous support area. We should look for resistance there, although there could be some further upside risk towards 0.8650 as well. Okay, I would say that's, we sort of have a first line of defense here just below 0.86, and then if that breaks 0.8650 is where we should expect sellers again. Okay, to the downside, we have to look at the weekly chart. The next support appears to be around 0.8315, and then another key support below that is the 0.8066. These are lows in 2010. Okay. Now, we can look for the market to stabilize around this area in 2015, but in the short to medium term, the Aussie dollar is still bearish with no signs of stopping. So we should expect further decline towards this support area for the rest of this year. And at this point, only a break back above 0.88 should shelve the bearish outlook and introduce a sideways kind of market going forward. But again, right now there's no signs of that, so any type of rebound, we should look for sellers to continue this downtrend again towards this 0.8066 up to 0.8315 area. And that wraps up today's Forex video briefing. Thanks again for watching. Trade safe, trade well.